What's up, guys? What's going on? Today it's my birthday. You know, it's 38th time around the sun. Yes, that makes me, you know how much. Anyway, it's not about me. It's about doing victory donuts today because I think it was like 2 years now. I kind of started this little victory donut thing on my birthday, so I think I'm gonna keep it up as a trend. I like it. It's fun. Furthermore, I don't do much with this car anyway, so yeah, you know, we're gonna take the car out and do some victory donuts. I mean, you know, have a little fun. It's been a while since I've done anything with it. It's been so long that the battery was completely dead. I actually went to go try to start it yesterday. It's a good thing I tried to start yesterday. Battery was completely flat. Had to charge it up overnight, so battery is fully good now. But for all you guys that has been following this particular build with this LS M3, I know I haven't given you guys much updates on it because I just haven't did that many videos, but I have done quite a few different things to this car since the last video that I did, which I think was the Mazir water electric water pump. But you know, it now has Olin. I can't see it from here, but it now has, you know, official Olin gold race suspension, top quality, that, you know, that high-end stuff. So I literally only drove on it one time since I put the suspension on, you know, the full complete coilovers, and it's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. It's, you know, so firm. It's totally adjustable, two-way adjustable shocks and struts. But that's new on the car on the suspension side. We come inside, I put these, I kind of mocked up some like carbon type panels. This is actually just the overlay, so you know, I wasn't going crazy. I wasn't about to spend $300 per panel. Actually, it's like $350 per carbon panel. I actually just made this out of like a plastic that's sold at Home Depot, and then I had like a carbon overlay, so you know, it got like, you know, sort of like this carbon fiber look to it. And then I got these straps. So I got these, you know, pull strap and the opener straps here, and just kind of just mocked up something nice, threw a couple screws in, and I mean, all in all, I think it cost me about probably I don't know, probably about 70 bucks per panel. So, you know, same thing on the other side. It's just so much more neater. It's nicer, and it's just cleaner. So there's a lot of things that's going to be done to this car throughout the next year. A lot of things, including some power adders. But you know, I'll probably start giving you guys some more videos on this car because, you know, I've been doing a lot of little things to it, just haven't been videoing it. You'll notice on the Victory Donuts, there's a solid 2 tires being dropped to the ground because it got the seems legit Ford 8.8 rear end that is completely dialed in. It's perfect now, so you know, it's another plus. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get this thing started. Let's get outside. Let's go.